I bet your kids love chocolate milk, but guess what? I do too. And I'm guessing you do too. So let's take a look at what I put together for healthy chocolate milk. I put together a chocolate milk right here that has 1.5 cups of almond milk, 1/2 cup of ice, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder with 3 dates. Be sure you pit them, and we're gonna blend it on high for 2 minutes. And if you like healthy foods, right here in Intestinal Health book, I have created in part 2 a lot of healthy recipes. I take these recipes and I recreate them into healthy ingredients. You're gonna love it, and you'll find out a lot about how to make your tummy happy also. So let's start by putting this together. We've got 1.5 cups of almond milk right here. We're going to add our 1/2 cup of ice. Next, we're going to add our 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And then we're going to add our 3 dates. We're going to just put this on the blender, and we're going to blend it at high for 2 minutes. We'll set that on. Let's put a lid on it. And here we go. Now we've finished. It was so quick, just 2 minutes, and we've got this beautiful, tasty, and healthy chocolate milk. I can't wait to try this. Look at this milk. We're gonna just take a spoon in order so we can just hold back the foam and pour this. Wow. Oh boy. I bet your kids can't wait to taste this, and neither can I. Let's try it now. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Look at this chocolate milk. I can't wait. I'll try it for you, but you gotta make it. And it's cool. That's the best part. It's cool because we put the ice in it, and now it's healthy too. Let's go. Perfect. If you don't want it so sweet, for you, just take out 1 of the dates. But otherwise, your kids are gonna love the sweetness of this. It's not overkill. It's absolutely perfect. And healthy too. Bingo.